Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you today how to create something small, just a fun video or anything on Premiere Pro. So you can see I already put down a couple of things on my timeline, but I'm going to clear all of this and start from scratch. See if I can replicate this. So your timeline is going to be very important on whether or not you succeed on creating that video. First off, in your little widget board media browser, you have to import whatever media, videos, photos you want to put in the video. As you can see, I already have a bunch of them from prior projects. Most of them is just animals, some B-roll. Let's choose this one, put it down on your timeline. And the bar length is the actual length of the video. So if it's a 4-minute clip, it's going to be 4 minutes long. So you could always edit the duration. And depending on your settings, if you don't change them, your clips are always going to be connected automatically. So that's why you see smooth transition like this, boom, boom. But if you want something better, you could always go to the effects tab. From there, go down to video transitions. What a lot of people like to do, something smooth and something very professional, would probably be like a dissolve. Something I like to use is a cross dissolve. On that, you could choose um, the length of the actual cross dissolve and which clip you want to put it on. So for this one, I put on the second clip. As you can kind of see, it starts dissolving right here into the second clip. So if you want to just make some smooth transitions, something to make it look professional, you could always go to that. If you want added more clips to it, you will go back to your editing page and choose from your library. We're just going to add some birds right here. And this little bar lets you expand right here. So you can see this yellow tab, a little yellow bar right here. It's the length of your video. And whenever you want to export, it's very important to make sure this yellow bar is connected, because if you export it like this, it would only export this part and it would be 5 minutes of darkness and export this. So it's very important to make sure everything's connected. Same thing with these tabs, because the bottom tab is always the audio and the top is the video. So if they ever get disconnected like this, it's going to look bad. It's not going to be connected. So hopefully that was a little quick intro to Premiere Pro. It's a lot easier than it looks. It's not that hard. It's pretty easy after time.